What you can make in a rice cooker episode 5. Today I'm gonna make paknam and iromba. For paknam, I have napakpi, nakuppi, which is hooker chive and Asian chive, and some coriander. Let's mix them together with fermented fish and chili paste. After that, let's add some ground flour, pinch of baking soda and some salt, and mix it again one last time. Now let's spread it out on turmeric leaves and banana leaf. After that, let's wrap and make it airtight, and it's ready to steam. I'm gonna boil some red potatoes, broad beans, and yongchak for iramba and steam this paknam on top using a container because the steamer doesn't work. After taking out the iramba, I'll dry roast the paknam to absorb all the moisture. You can use some pressure while doing that. Now that our paknam is done, let's boil some mustard and carrots while we finish our iromba. So I made this steamed fermented fish, red chili and king chili paste. All you have to do is mash it up and mix nicely. For the last touch, garnish with lomba and coriander, and that's it. Now you have the most loved ethnic dish combo for the Meiteis of Manipur. Enjoy!